Hey, what's up, guys? This is the TheJesusmodz. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of my collection of my Jtag Xboxes, my modded controllers, my HD PVRs, pretty much everything. 1, 2, 3, 4 Jtag Xboxes right here. I got hard drives. I got 1 hard drive, 2 hard drive, 3 hard drive. Let me get 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 20 gigabyte, 60 gigabyte, 60 gigabyte, 20 gigabyte power supply. I got 2 HDMI cables, 1 to HDMI, 1 to AV. Jasper Jtag. This one here is a Xenon. Got a transfer cable. Thanks for the Xenon. Got a modified controller. Let's see what else we got. We got some brick cables for modifying Xboxes. That got this. Got kidder cable. This, so this is gonna go down. So I'm gonna count off all the things that I put down. 1 Jtag, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hard drives going down to the ground. Look at the post to see how much the stuff costs. Everything's different. Nothing's the same price. Depends on what mood I am in the day. If I want money, if I don't want money, if I don't care. Modified controller. Give me an offer. I want to get rid of it. I'll take it for $20. Now let's take off the Jtag. Alright. Thanks, guys. This is TheJesusmodz. Peace out.